Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can force close a frozen or a freeze program on Windows 10. So if your Windows laptop or maybe computer maybe suddenly got some error, like an app or a program is freezing and you want to close it but you cannot, you can just follow this step. So first you can just click on the taskbar here at the bottom. You can just right click and then go to the task manager, or you can also use a shortcut on your keyboard by clicking on the Control Alt and then delete a button on your keyboard, and it will open this task manager. So you can just find the app that's currently freezing or frozen. You can just right click on the app, and in here you can see this is the End Task option. So just tap on that to close it, to force close it, and just like that it will be closed from your computer. So you can just close the task manager again, and that's it. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks